Good afternoon. Good morning. Good morning, mga abangers. All my followers. At the moment, I'm really sick. I can't hardly walk. Hindi ako masyadong nakakalakad. Pero marami pa akong video na ibibigay ko sa inyo. Mga dating video ko na nakasave. I'm still got lots of videos that I can give it to you guys. I got plenty video it's saved. At the moment, I can't. I'm in pain. May sakit ako. Ito lang yung inano ko ngayon. Dala-dala ko. So, hirap na ako guys. Kaya, hindi ko alam. I don't know what to do. But I'm going to the doctor again today. See what the doctor said. And thank you for your support. Maraming salamat sa suporta ninyo. Kakayanin ko. Kaya yung mga natulungan ko, pasensya muna sa ngayon. Pero gagawin ko ang lahat. I'll do my the best. I do my the best so I can deliver some the videos for you guys even in I'm sick. It's life. Ganyan lang talaga ang buhay. It's life.